everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Winglish. Today is a very good news, a big update is coming from Jharkhand. Jharkhand में assistant professor vacancies are there, and you know the vacancy, you know the eligibility is only for post graduation, and vacancies are 5,500 posts are vacant, so you don't have to miss it out. I'll be showing each and everything, the newspaper, the news which came from, and all the posts, where, in which college, how many posts are vacant. Okay, so stay tuned with me. In this video we'll be showing each and everything. You can see the newspaper cutting that हाई कोर्ट ने कहा विश्वविद्यालयों में प्रोफेसर, एसोसिएट और असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर के खाली पद 4 माह में भरे. सो झारखंड की यूनिवर्सिटी में शिक्षक कर्मचारियों के 5,500 पद खाली, हाई कोर्ट नाराज. नाउ यू कैन सी 30 साल में कर्मी 6 साल से शिक्षकों की नियुक्ति नहीं. सो इट वॉज बैक इन 2008 एंड 2009 देयर वॉज अ एग्जामिनेशन फॉर ऑल द assistant professors, JPSC. Now there is no, in last 10 years to 15 years there was no such examination was there, so that is why it is very needed, it was a need of the hour to vacant to take the examination, and that is why we also see कि contractual basis पे अभी जो काम कर रहे हैं उनका क्या होता है. तो let's see, we will show all the news. As you can see, all the names: Dr. Prishila Soren, Bhuvneshwar Manji, Dr. Kiran Kumari, Dr. Indra Bhushan, these all are petitioner. They have petitioned in the court that why you are not taking the vacancies, why you are not taking the admissions of all the eligibility, because ये सब अभी झारखंड में, you should be knowing that यहाँ का जो अभी वैकेंसी प्रोसेस, जो एग्जामिनेशन प्रोसेस, रिक्वायरमेंट प्रोसेस है, यहाँ बहुत यहाँ सारे टीचर्स अभी कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल बेसिस पे पढ़ा रहे हैं. यहाँ पे अभी जेपीएससी ने एग्जाम नहीं लिया है. So this is the basic petitions which they have filed in the court. And this picture shows that the state of Jharkhand, chief secretary, technical people, Sidhu Kanu Murmu, then vice chancellor, the registrar, Jharkhand Public Commission, these all are, this is the, when we say ना कि जब कोई petition डालता है उसके बाद उसके against में कौन करना चाहिए, these are all the governments are there to say and to have the वॉइस ओवर कि हाँ अभी हमें क्या करना है, अभी हमें नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या लेना है. As I have studied from Jharkhand, I know what critical conditions are there. There are so many vacant posts for assistant professor. There is no one to teach. There are huge whole lot of students are there, but still the vacancies are vacant. So now we will see, you can see on the picture data related to vacant posts in different university. Now you can see Ranchi University has 850 sanctioned post, a total खाली post है इसमें 528. So these all are the vacant process, and the eligibility is just PG. Then Sidhu Kanu Murmu University 557 post. Then Vinod Bihari Mahto Kalyanchal University 373 post. डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, इसी कॉलेज में मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन, अपना पीजी किया, मैंने इसी में कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल बेसिस पर पढ़ाया था. नाउ इट हैज़ 54 regular appointments and 25 backlog vacancies. There are so many vacancies out there, just don't wait, fill the form. Now we'll see in 6 number Jharkhand Raksha Shakti University, they have 12 vacant posts. Kolhan University, they have 476 vacant seats. Then Nilambar Pitambar University 326. Vinova Bhave University, one of the top universities of the Jharkhand, it has 115 for roster clearance and 436 posts are vacant. So don't miss out this opportunity. Go to the website and fill the form. This is a golden chance to fill the form and get the university professors, associate professors, professor, everything you can dream of. And there is a huge, अभी कोई भी एज लिमिट के बारे में बात नहीं किया गया है. अगर if you are a ST, SC, OBC and you belong from Jharkhand, it is a huge opportunity for you, because for in PG if you have scored 50% also, अगर आप 50% भी ला रहे हैं ST, SC, OBC में हैं, तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा मौका है कि आप इसमें फॉर्म भरें और एक मौका पाएँ पढ़ाने के लिए. एंड इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम अदर स्टेट, तो यू शुड बी एलिजिबल, लाइक इफ इन योर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन आपको 55% होना बहुत ज़रूरी. सो दीज all are the, as of now, vacancies are there. Go search and fill the form. It is the big golden opportunity. And if you like this video, do comment, do share, टू ऑल ऑफ यू, जिसको जिसको नहीं पता है उसको आप ये वीडियो शेयर कीजिए। आप देखिए कितना सारा पोस्ट है, और कुछ भी जानकारी आपको आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए। एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर न्यूज़ एंड अपडेट्स लाइक दिस।